Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. Now we are in the second topic of this chapter, that is decimal, and we had already started with decimal. In the last video we had completed exercise 2.5. So in this video we'll start with multiplication of decimal numbers. That also already you had studied. That then also few sums I will do it. Like in that first question is being given that find 0.2 into 6. See student, if you remember when I had explained you decimal chapter in last year and in fifth also, I told you whenever you multiply, forget this decimal. जब भी multiply करते हैं तो decimal को भूल जाओ. Just multiply the number, and when you get the final answer, at that time you have to put the decimal. So here it is 0.2 into 6. So 0.2 means it is 2. So 2 6s is what? 12. Now here after decimal one digit is there, so in the answer also it should be one digit. So from वो point put up करने के लिए always you have to start counting from the last digit. Last digit is 1 and put the point. So the answer comes as 1.2. Okay, that you have to be very careful. Now here it is 8 into 4.6. 8 into 4.6 means when you multiply at that time you have to consider it as 46 into 8. So multiply 8 6 is 48, 4, 8 4 are 30, 2 plus 4 is 36. Now after decimal दोनों में चेक कर लेना कि टोटल डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है. So here only one digit is there. So from here we'll count from the last one and put the point. So our answer is 36.8. Same way here 2.71 into 5. तो जब मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या कंसिडर करना है? 271 into 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are is 35. So 3, 5 twos are 10 plus 3 is 13. Now here after point two decimals, two digits are being there. So here from the last we'll count to 1, 2, and we have to put the point. So it becomes 13.55. and you know student, हमेशा डेसिमल के बाद जब डिजिट्स पढ़ते हैं तो उसको सिंगल डिजिट पढ़ते हैं. इफ यू हियर वी हैव टू रीड इट एज 13.55, नॉट 55 है वो हमें पता है, बट व्हेन यू रीड द डेसिमल नंबर यू हैव टू रीड आफ्टर डेसिमल जो भी डिजिट्स है दैट विल बी रेड अ सिंगल ओनली. सो इट विल बी 13.55. Now fourth one you have to do it by yourself. Fifth one I am writing here 0.05 into 7. It means 5 sevens are is what? 35. Now after decimal two digits are there. So here 1, 2, put the point, nothing means put here 0. So the answer comes to 0.35. Okay, rest 3 sums are only remaining which you have to do it by yourself. Same method, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के टाइम पे पॉइंट निकाल के मल्टीप्लाई करो, और जब आंसर आता है तब पॉइंट के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है दैट मेनी डिजिट्स यू हैव टू काउंट फ्रॉम द लास्ट एंड पुट द पॉइंट. Okay, now question number 2, it is being given find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So we have to write length of rectangle is equal to 5.7 centimeter, breadth of rectangle is equal to 3 centimeter, and we have to find out area of rectangle. What will be the formula student? It will be L into B. So length is 5.7 into breadth is 3. So again forget the decimal first. First multiply 3 7s are 21. So 2, 5 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Now after point here one digit is being there. So in the answer also it should be one digit. So from the last we'll count 1 and put the point. Now once we are finding out area, so the unit will become square. Don't forget that. These all are the basic things. ये सब मैंने आपको समझाया हुआ that when we find out the area, the unit will become always square. So that was your question number 2. Question number 3, the most easiest one. कोई भी डेसिमल नंबर को जब 10, 100, 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो पॉइंट को शिफ्ट करना है राइट साइड, और जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन की जगह पे डिवीजन होता है तो पॉइंट शिफ्ट होता है टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट साइड. बट अस हियर इट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो वी हैव टू शिफ्ट द पॉइंट टुवर्ड्स राइट साइड. जितने जीरोस होंगे उतने पॉइंट शिफ्ट करना है टुवर्ड्स द राइट साइड. सो हियर इट इज 1.3 into 10. So 1 0 is being there, means this point will shift from here to here. So the answer will be 30, means point निकल जाएगा. So the answer will become 30. Second one is 36.8 into 10. So again 1 0. So this point will shift over here, so the point will be removed, so it will become 368. So remaining two sums of 10 you have to do it by yourself. Now I'll do fifth one. It is 31.1 into 100. Now two zeros are there. एक जीरो था तो एक पॉइंट शिफ्ट करते थे, यहाँ पे दो जीरो है, so we have to move 2. But here after decimal only one digit is being there, तो एक जीरो से पॉइंट निकल जाएगा, so it will become 311. But still 1 0 is being remaining, so that will be added at last. Okay, sixth one, 156.1 into 100. So again same, two zeros are there, but after point only one digit is being there, will be the answer. Point निकल गया, so it will become 1561, but still 1 0 is remaining क्योंकि एक ही जीरो से point निकला है, एक जीरो बचा है, so that will be added at last. Now seventh one also I am doing 3.62 into 100. So here two zeros, here after decimal two digits are there, so the point will shift over here, means point ही निकल जाएगा, it will become 362. Now last eighth one you have to do it by yourself. Ninth one I am writing 0.5 into 10. So 1 0 means you have to move the point 1 towards the right side, so ये point यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, it will become only 5. Then 10th one, it's 0.08 into 10. 1 0 is being there, means we have to shift one digit towards the right side, means ये point यहाँ से कहाँ पे आ जाएगा, here. So again it will be 0.8. पहले क्या था 0.08, but by multiplying it with 10 the point will shift towards the right side 1 point, so it will become 0.8. 11th one 0.9 into 100. So what you have to do, two zeros are there, तो दो digit move करना है, but यहाँ पे decimal के बाद only one digit is there, so this one point will be shifted over here with the help of 1 0, so it will become 9, and still 1 is remaining, so that will be added at last, so it will become 19. 12th one is 0.03 into 1000. So no problem, 3 zeros, so 3 digit we have to move towards the right, but here it is only 2, so those zeros से 0.03 will become 3, still 1 0 is remaining, that will be added at last. Okay, so that was your question number 3. उसमें भी remaining part you have to do it by yourself. Question number 4, A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? It's very simple sum. 1 लीटर पेट्रोल में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है दैट इज बीइंग गिवन, दैट इज 55.3 किलोमीटर. तो 10 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो व्हाट विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट, डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 1 liter of petrol is equal to 55.3 kilometer. We have to find out, therefore distance covered in 10 liter of petrol is equal to 55.3 into 10. So 1 0 is being there, so this point will shift 1 digit towards the right side, so it will become 553 kilometer distance will be covered in 10 liter of petrol. Very simple sums are being there. Now question number 5. In question number 5 again we have to multiply, but there both the side decimal numbers are being given. 2.3 into 0.3. okay, here what we had done उसमें एक ही डेसिमल था, एक होल नंबर था, but here both the numbers are decimal, so no problem, it's very simple. क्या करना है, पॉइंट पहले निकाल देना है when you want to multiply. So 2.5 will be considered as 25 and 0.3 will become 3. अगर इसको दूसरे वे में करना है तो भी कर सकते हो. देखो दोनों में पॉइंट के बाद एक एक डिजिट है. ओके, सो दोनों में से पॉइंट निकल जाएगा, वो क्या हो जाएगा 25 into 3 दैट विल कम टू 75. अंडरस्टूड. क्यों पॉइंट निकल गया वहां से, बिकॉज बोथ द साइड पॉइंट के बाद एक एक डिजिट है. ओके सॉरी, इट विल हैपन इन डिवीजन ओनली, नॉट इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सॉरी. सो इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन यहाँ पे भी पॉइंट के बाद एक ही डिजिट है, यहाँ पे भी एक ही डिजिट है, मीन्स पॉइंट के बाद टोटल 2 डिजिट्स आर बीइंग देयर. सो हियर 1 2 पॉइंट, सो इट विल कम एज 0. ओके, डिवीजन होता है एट दैट टाइम आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस, लेकिन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पहले 25 into 3 यू हैव टू डू इट. सो यू विल गेट 75. here 1 digit and here also 1 digit, so 1 plus 1 2, मतलब total point के बाद 2 digits होने चाहिए. so 1 2 and put the point, nothing means here it will be 0. now second one, it's 0.1 into 51.7. now दोनों में से point निकाल दो, so it is 517 into 1. so 517 into 1 is 517. here after decimal 1 digit, here also 1, so 1 plus 1 2, so from the last we'll count 1 2 and put the point. third one, 0.2 into 316.8. so what you have to consider here, point निकाल देना है, means 3168 twos are कितना होता है, that you have to find out. so we'll multiply here only. 2 8s are 16, 1 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, so 1 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 and 2 3s are is 6. now here after decimal 1 digit, here also 1, so 1 plus 1 2, so 1 2 and put the point, so it will be 63.36. now fourth one you can do it by yourself. fifth one I am doing 0.5 into 0.05. so if you will remove the decimal for multiplying, so it is 5 5s are 25, but here after decimal 1 and here it is 2, so 2 plus 1 3 digits should be there after decimal in the answer, but we are having only 2, so 1 0 will be added here and the answer will be 0.025. Okay, अगर नहीं होते digits, so you have to put 0 on the left hand side of that number. Now sixth one, 11.2 into 0.15. 15 का टेबल यूज करो. 15 twos is 30, so 0, 3. 15 ones are 15 plus 3 is 18, so 1. 15 ones are 15 plus 1 is 16. Okay, 112 into 15 कर दिया. 15 twos is 30, so 0, 3, 5, 15 ones are 15 plus 3, 18, 1. 15 ones are 15 plus 1, 16. So here after decimal 1 digit, here 2, so 2 plus 1 it is 3, so 1, 2, 3, and the point will come here, so it is 1.680, the answer. Okay, now rest of you can do it by yourself. Just multiply and find out the answer, and don't forget to count the number of digits in the question after decimal, and that many digits should be also there in the answer after decimal. Total 3 digits हो रहे means after decimal also there should be 3 digits only, otherwise the answer will go wrong. Okay, so remaining questions of question number 5 you have to do it by yourself. In the next video we'll finish the last topic of the chapter, that is division of decimal numbers. So in this video this much only. See you in the next video. So till then, thank you and take care.